welcome back to my channel. Today I will be flat ironing my hair with the curling ironers, and then I also will be curling my hair. But I know y'all been wondering, like, okay, does she even have a set of curling ironers? Yes, I do. So half of my stuff still packed up. I've been lazy. It been a lot going on with any week spins. So yeah. But anyways, I hope that everyone is having a great holiday. Please comment below. Let me hear your thoughts. I want to hear your thoughts. Please let me hear your thoughts. Okay? Okay. But I wonder what else that y'all would like for me to do. Like I'm wondering, like I'm trying to do quick little nice styles with wig I got on, but I also want to like take it further, start doing like my natural hair on YouTube. But I don't know. I ain't got that comfortable yet. And yes, I do have long hair, but I ain't got that comfortable yet. But anyways, I hope y'all do enjoy this video. Please like, comment below, subscribe to my channel. Please, 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 please. And I appreciate everyone that checked out my last video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And guess what, y'all? Your girl reached 1,000 subscribers. Sorry, I'm playing. I only reached 100 subscribers. But thank y'all so much for tuning into my videos. And I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Happy holidays.